Well, here we go. I'm going to install a robot lawnmower in my backyard. I'm going to give you a bit of a look at my backyard because it's pretty horrible. Overgrown. I have 2 dogs and they love digging holes, so I filled a couple of holes in. Now, when installing robot lawnmowers, they say to mow your lawn first. Well, you know, I feel that's sort of defeating the purpose, so I'm going to give it an attempt not to mow my lawn first, put down my wire, my boundary wire, and let's see what this baby does. Here is my lawn, by the way. So let's go, see what the old Moebot can do. So when opening up your Moebot box, you get these little cool little rulers to measure out your boundary wire. Just got to take those out. Pretty cool. Here's my Moebot in all its glory. It's going to save me hours of work. So this is your boundary wire. Pretty cool. It's green, so you won't see it. You can bury it underground apparently, but guess what? I'm not. Yep. And it's really well packed too. This old baby, she's been well packed and it's come nice and clean, and she's looking pretty sweet. So I'm going to put the charging dock behind my patio thing. As you can see, my dogs have decided to dig everywhere underneath this thing, and it's probably not the most ideal place because, you know, there's gaps and holes, but I'll fix those up in a bit. So from here it says on this that we've got this side is to face the house. My house is over there somewhere underneath all that rubbish, and I'll run the cable from here and we'll go around this way. Yep, around here. There's my beautiful garden beds. Do you love them? They're pretty cool, huh? I'm good at growing grass. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Okay, so I've run the wire around the yard. Now I'm back at the station. One's going that way, this one's coming in this way. I've connected this one into the red terminal. This one's going to go into the black terminal. Alright, so I'll just do that. This is the end of the power cable. Pretty short, so I'll have to put an extension lead on it to run it all the way through here. It just screws into that little baby there, pretty simple. I'll do that now. You've got to run it up through one of these holes. Now I've got that in, I'm just going to put this baby under here so it stays out of the rain. I'll screw that in now. And now I've install that underneath there. She's going to be pretty safe for water. I'll just run this cable somewhere. Next. Okay, here we go. So I'm wired up, got some electricity to it, got a little blue light, that's pretty cool. I'm going to chuck this baby on there. These 2 prongs that I put in earlier just need to go into here. The Moebot should start charging. That's what she's doing. Now she won't do anything until she's 70%, so I'm going to leave her here for a bit. Bit worried about this little hole here, and I've given her a bit of a forward drive thing down here. You might better see it in the camera, but it's not a bad little. She'll probably get stuck there. And there's another bit here where she'll probably fall over. I'll fill them in. Obviously that hole there. I don't think she's going to get over that either. But anyway, I'll fix those up a bit in a bit. I'll let it charge up and see how we go. Something I forgot. In this bag, we're given some of these. Now these go in here. What they do is they just screw into the ground. Give you this handy little tool to build it with. You screw it in. This stabilises the charging dock. Sticks it to the ground. Not bad. Mine sounds a little loose, so I'm going to do the best of jobs. Probably do okay. Screw it in. Sorry, the camera works pretty shoddy. There we go. Don't know if that's sticking or not. Yeah, well, I'm going to put a little shelter over this thing anyway. So it says it's, you know, they say they're waterproof, but Albany gets a lot of water. Okay, I'll just finish doing this. Okay, another thing about this lawnmower is this. Open that up. This is your height adjustment for your blades. I'll put it right down here. I'll go as low as I can. They say not to the first mow, but why not? Let's see what this baby can do. So, check this out. Little Moebot's done its job, man. Well, you remember how long this lawn was, don't you? Obviously, you've still got the stuff, you gotta whip a slip around the trees. You know, that sort of stuff. But man, this little baby has done a job. Anybody who says that robot lawnmowers can't mow, well, just check this out. Obviously, the guys who sell these things don't recommend you start them off with lawns higher than the machine itself. but in the end it does it. It's taken it a couple of days, but now on it'll just keep going out every couple of days and keep my lawn nice and short. Well, it's Good Friday, so I pray you guys have an awesome Good Friday, and God bless. See you later.